Hello. Hello. Mic check. Oh, mic is down. Okay. I need a break. I think I'll feel comfortable if we're on the go, kind of. So, let's just go to Michael's. We're going to Michael's. Fuck the intro. I'll film outside. It's kind of weird. I don't want people to know where I live. Might get murdered. So you have to kind of hide it when we enter so they don't see you coming in with it. Right? Is it ready to go?
Yep.
Wait, don't get it yet. Hold on. Okay, ready? Let's go through this way. Here we are in my garden. I've been growing these for years now. I'm very proud of it. All right, let's look for the canvases. It's gonna be a practice run for a mural that we're gonna be doing. So I kind of need something like this. It's $50. I don't need something like this. We're gonna look for the cheaper side. That looks good on the rack. We're gonna leave that there. Oh, this is nice. This is $18, not $50. Oh. So we've successfully purchased the merchandise. Now we can fuck shit up. And we're back in the studio. So went to Michael's, got our canvas. This particular one is already primed, so I don't have to do that. I'm gonna start with a rough draft and then start painting. I guess all we have to do now is change into something that I don't care about. And yeah, here we go. Excuse me. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was a practice run for the actual mural, which is going to be a 420 square foot concrete wall. Follow me on my art journey and see where it ends up. Bye. Okay, again. Tune in next week. Like, I want it to be personal. You're telling me exactly what every other YouTuber says. I want to be myself. Like, if that's awkward, fine. So bullshit ass tell me how to act.